What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to be unboxing this 1964 Ford Econoline truck. It looks very cool in matte green, good wheels. Let's get it open. Alright, we have the tape nicely off of there, and we're about to get the set out of the box. There's some numbers up there, I don't know if that's safe to show, but whatever. Here is the actual box, or actually like clear case. We're going to try to stack it with the other M2 car that I recently unboxed on my channel. It's the GMC Sierra 1500, I think it is. So we're going to try stacking it on there, but first we're just going to unbox it. See how this goes. Let's get, where's the screwdriver? Here we go. Alright, let's get this open. So I find the best way is to do it this way. You get it in there, start it, and then you can get out really easily. And there's the first screw. And let's take the little casing off. There it is. Looks very nice. We'll get the other front screw out. That's still not out. Some long screws. Alright, there we go. So I guess the front one's longer on this particular car. I don't know if that was a mistake in the factory or whatever, but I don't think that happened on the other one. But here it is. It is very sketchy seeing those little screwed out holes in the metal chassis. Whoops, in the metal chassis of your car. This kind of looks like a Combi, actually, now that I look at it. Has a pretty big bed. It's a very nice paint job, good interior, good wheels. Let's see if it rolls, because that is, yeah, it rolls well. Oh, it rolls really well. Wow. It looks like it's embedded in there so low that it wouldn't roll, but it does. So there it is. We're gonna try stacking it now. So let me get my other car. So here we go, we have the Walmart exclusive GMC truck selling for a ton. I think it's up to like 20 bucks or over, and it's not screwed into the base, so you want to be a little bit careful. As you can see, it's shaking in there, but we're just gonna boom, and that fits in there well. So I guess it is designed to stack, which is insanely cool, because now you could stack these guys up and have a really nice display. So you don't have to go out and buy a display. It comes with it, and of course it has the name in the front. It's everything you need right there. I definitely will be displaying this like on my nightstand or something. I'll start stacking them the more I get. And I do want to open up this one over here if I find a second one. This one I'm keeping for long term, because this is a really good year for Camaro. But if I find a second one of these, I'll open it up and stack it on here, and you guys will get to see it, because I personally really like 67, 68 Camaros. But yeah, this is what we got. I'm probably going to screw it back in so it doesn't wiggle all over the place, but I just unscrewed it for you guys so you could see it better and on the turntable. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Like, subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.